Central New York's most accurate forecast.
But with all of the rain that we saw today, we might as well set a new rainfall record, right? Syracuse did just that, breaking the daily rainfall record, not by much from the old record that we saw. About 0.96 inches of rain is what we saw at the airport today. Again, only really just 0.05 of an inch more than the old one set back in 1961. Still, almost an inch of rain that fell just today in Syracuse, and plenty of other spots saw that too. But a much quieter view now on this Sunday evening on Live Doppler 9. Really mostly dry conditions here. The only rain activity I see is just this tiny little shower moving through Rome right now, and that's pretty much it. But that doesn't mean that we're not quite done seeing the rain chances, especially as we go throughout our Monday. Taking you off to the west here, you can see across Pennsylvania, even about to enter parts of western New York. We've got a cluster of some light to moderate rain and some thunderstorms moving through those parts of New York State now. So I do have a feeling that's something that we might be contending with by the time we get to parts of tomorrow morning. The reason why we're so unsettled is still due to this low pressure system. It's taking its sweet time making its way through the Great Lakes. It's going to settle over our heads pretty much over the next couple of days, so that means that we're still going to be fighting those rain and storm chances all throughout, again, the next couple of days. Temperature-wise this evening, we're comfortable. Upper 60s to low 70s is what we've got here. 68 in Syracuse, Skinny Atlas at 70. Dew points not too far away from the actual temperature. We've got mid-60s for those. So definitely feeling the humidity more so than what we normally would. We're going to keep the humidity in place pretty much all the way through Tuesday. That muggy air holding on tight. Wednesday, though, does look to be the breaking point of the unsettled weather as well as the humid air as well, before we start to see some sunshine emerge for more of us throughout the week. So tonight, again, maybe just a passing light shower. I think this model is overdoing it just a bit, but throughout the day Monday, we're going to keep mostly cloudy skies around. Couple of showers and storm chances too. I don't think we've got enough energy for anything to go severe, but some of these downpours could have locally heavy rainfall, which could cause some ponding in roadways and some localized flooding concerns as well. So just something to keep in mind, especially as we go throughout the start of the week. Still, high temperature is also going to be a little bit cooler than what we've been seeing. I think mid to upper 70s, keeping rain chances in the picture pretty much all through Tuesday as well. So rain totals like we saw about an inch of rain in Syracuse today. It's possible we do that again over the next 24 to 36 hours. So anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch, maybe more by the time we get to Tuesday, is certainly going to be something that's still very possible. Here's your 7-day forecast here. So Monday, Tuesday, if you're planning things around that, definitely going to be dodging the raindrops, so keep the rain gear handy. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. New York State Fair starts on Wednesday, and it looks like the weather looks to cooperate, drying out with temperatures back to comfortably warm levels by the time we get to that point, and keeping things seasonable and relatively quiet by the time we get to next weekend. Ashley.